Hello friends, this is round 36 of star hearts and pineapples tablecloth. To begin the round, slip stitch on next stitch 7 times, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and single crochet into the space, and mark. The next chain 2, 1, 2, this is where the ending slip stitch will be attached, and continue to make a double crochet on the same stitch where the chain 2 is attached. Chain 2, 1, 2, and 2 double crochet. We are following this, which is also this one right here. Chain 2, 2 double crochet on the same space. So we just made one shell, then chain 2, and double crochet on the next double crochet, and do these instructions twice, and that's one. This is the second, then chain 2, single crochet on the next double crochet of the fan, then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and single crochet on the next chain 1 space 9 times. Repeat the instruction 9 times, so chain 3, 1, 2, 3, single crochet on the next chain 1 space, that's 2, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, single crochet on the next chain 1 space, chain 3, single crochet on the next chain 1 space, chain 3, single crochet on the next chain 1 space, chain 3, single crochet on the next chain 1 space, chain 3, single crochet on the next chain 1 space, chain 3, single crochet on the next chain 1 space, then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and single crochet on the next chain 1 space, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and single crochet on the double crochet. And there should be a total of 10 pineapple loops on top of the fan. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the count is correct. So moving on, we chain 2 and double crochet on the next double crochet or stitch, and do it twice. That's 1, double crochet on next stitch, That's 2, chain 2, and shell on top of the shell. Chain 2 to finish the shell and make 2 more double crochet on the same space. Then chain 1 and shell on next shell. So this shell is the beginning of the repeating stitch. So I'm gonna put a mark there to indicate where the repeating stitch begins. So we'll finish the shell, chain 2 and 2 double crochet on the same space. See, we just repeated this shell here on this. So we chain 2 and double crochet on next stitch twice. That's 1, 2. We repeated the instructions twice. Then chain 2, 1, 2, and single crochet on the next double crochet of the fan. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. We are repeating this instruction 9 times. So that's 1 pineapple loop, 1, 2, 3, single crochet on the next stitch. That's 2, 1, 2, 3, single crochet on the next stitch, not next stitch but chain 1 space. That's 3, 1, 2, 3, single crochet on the next chain 1 space. That's 4, 1, 2, 3, single crochet on the next chain 1 space. That's 5, 1, 2, 3, single crochet on the next chain 1 space. That's 6, 1, 2, 3, single crochet on the next chain 1 space. That's 7, 1, 2, 3, single crochet on the next chain 1 space. That's 8, 1, 2, 3, single crochet on the next chain 1 space. That's 9. Then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and single crochet on the double crochet, next double crochet. So there should be 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's correct. So we move on to the next stitch, which is chain 2 and double crochet on the next stitch, which is next double crochet. It should say next double crochet twice. This is the second, and we chain 2, 1, 2, and shell on top of the shell. Then chain 1, and we repeat. This is the end of the repeating series of repeating stitch. The repeating stitch begins at double crochet of the shell and ends at the chain 1 after the shell. So we will repeat from the beginning shell to the chain 1 after the shell. Repeat it all around. So after the last shell of the round, we chain 1 and slip stitch on the second chain of the beginning chain 2 of the shell. So that's the end of round 36. I thank you for watching. Thank you all for watching, and please remember to subscribe to my channel. Have a blessed day.